Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna start making this YouTube channel about playing crazy. Well, anyways, I'm going to be showing. Get away from me! I'm going to be showing you guys all of my airplanes that I've built in playing crazy. Here's the first one. I don't really like this one because it looks like a chunky boy, but it is a chunky boy actually. But other than that, it flies pretty well. Like flies really well actually. Landing gears animated, and you really just turn. Oh yeah. It flies pretty well. Those are really all the stuff that I have on it. I don't know anything else that I have on it. I have gun, got a PvP. I don't know what this F is for. What is this for? Really don't know what that's for. But my S is to go. My G, landing gear. R, I don't know what that's for. 0, oh, it's to go forward. I'm landing it to go forward. G is for it to go backwards. I don't know why. That's my first airplane. Here's my it's not really an airplane because it's a rocket, but yeah. Let me load this. Okay, so all you do is click W, you take off. I don't get why it doesn't stabilize, but it's turning. Then all you do is click G, disconnects your fuel tanks, then you click disconnect shuttle and click F. You come down to a safe descent into the void because I'm nowhere near the map. But if I just do this like W and disconnect my shuttle. Oh my god. Why? Alright, so what I was saying is if I could just disconnect my shuttle like that and then click parachute or F, I could just land safely. Land safely. Oh my god, that was not safe. But yeah, that's really it. My third one is an SU-47 or 57. I don't know. Oop, almost saved it. Load. Ooh, just click that. And I take off. Go faster. Cannot do a Cobra because I just can't. I don't have any reverse thrust either, so obviously I can't do a Cobra. It turns really well. I mean, it can pretty much do a vertical. Yeah, that's a vertical. Just can't stop and do a backflip. Stop the airplane. Now I'm gliding. Alright. I'm showing you my ex airplane. B1 Lancer. No, the wings do not fold. Sorry. You saw the fold thing that they did. Yeah, the wings fold. have landing gear. All of them are animated. So click. Nope, wrong thing. Click 0. Nope, wrong thing again. Why did it just pops everything down? Alright, you click G, put the landing gear up. That's so smooth, I swear. Look at that. Look how smooth the landing gear is. I think I have to change my camera angle. Can I change it to my, nope, can't. But, just click W. Look how smooth it is. Oh my God. You see how smooth it just picks the whole airplane up? So smooth it just picks the whole airplane up. G. So smooth. It goes in there. G again. Just picks the airplane up. It's so smooth, I swear. But yeah, here's my next airplane. It's just a mini jet, only 182 blocks. Let me click on it. Load, yeah. This one, it has a camera for your guns, yeah. This one actually has a reverse thrust on it. So I still can't do a Cobra, but I don't get how people do the Cobra. Don't mind that little hole right there. I don't get how people do the Cobra, because my Cobra is just pull up, reverse thrust, then I just go right back down. So it's kind of just like I pull up and then I reverse thrust so people go in front of me and then I'm right on them. Or you could really just go, all you have to do is like, if someone's behind you, you could just pull up, and if they're not paying attention, you pull up, then you come down, and then you're right on them. And if they pull up because they see you pulling up behind you, you would just pull right on them. Alright, but here's my next airplane. Harrier. The Harrier. I don't have the proper VTOL, but just click W and fly. My wheels up. It's pretty easy to fly this airplane. Just don't put the VTOL up too much while you're on the ground, because like you're definitely gonna go forward too much and flip over. But other than that, it's a pretty good airplane. I would say so. But yeah, it's the airplane. My next airplane is just something I built for no reason at all. This. I need to just take these off and save it. Alright. Okay, so this is just a random tiny airplane. I don't know what that sound is, but that's really it. Now is my most recent, because I did it today, just now. My Junkers Stuka. Junkers 87 Stuka. Has bombs on it. It has air brakes. My cockpit opens. It has bombs. And the propeller works. Oh. Air brakes. And I just click air brakes forward, and they both go up. Click air brakes forward, and they both come out. And the air brakes, they work really well. I just click it again and forward. W, you just that, and you're going. It's pretty good. I can't do a Stuka because like I can't like turn this whole thing upside down. All I could really do is like, I have 3 bombs on here, by the way. All I could really do is like this. Click bomb 1, pull up, drop it, and then click explode bomb 1. Oh yeah, also click 0 and this happens. But you click R and it folds, the wings fold up so it's more accurate. So it actually looks like a Stuka. Go down, pull up, bomb 2, then click explode bomb 2. Same thing with bomb 3. You just go to your target, say I want this dude. Go down, bomb 3, pull up, boom, explode. And now it's a raw Stuka, no bombs on it. But it does have guns in the front. Yeah, it's my most recent one. I like this one a lot. I like any old kind of airplanes because they're really fun to fly, and you could just restart history. All right, for my, I don't know which one this is, but like I don't know the number of the. All right, wait, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, for my 9th one is a nuke. Just click load. Click. All right, you just click 1. Click. It just crashed my game. Why does it keep doing that? I swear to God, if it does that, I'm not using that bomb anymore. I'm deleting that. I did this. I tried to do this video one other time. I messed it up, but it did the exact same thing. Alright, let's just go to my B2 bomber. Load it. Oh my God. Well, this is my B2 bomber. I can't show you flying because these little engine intakes, well not intakes, but these little engines, they're messed up because I have these on the side. I don't feel like taking them off and putting something else back on. So I'm just gonna, it's another one. But it has more seats this time. So it's just the same bomber, but oh my God, but with 4 seats instead of 2. You just get in the pilot seat or get in whatever seat you want, and you take it to the skies. It's really simple because it doesn't have all the buttons and stuff. Click G for landing gear, W fast, S to go slow. This took me a while to make, honestly, but it was worth it. This video is kind of short, so I'm just gonna do the ending. Well, thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more Plane Crazy videos like this, just like, subscribe, and comment what kind of videos I should do next, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.